Hey, feeling stuck in your career? You're not alone. Look, a lot of us have been there working long hours, juggling multiple jobs, and still feeling like there's no room to breathe. Maybe you've thought about starting your own business, but it feels complicated or out of reach. Today, I'm going to show you a different approach, one that could change how you think about uh, making a living. Okay, I'm talking about starting your own software as a service business where you can earn 10, 20, even 30K a month using a method called white labeling. And no, you don't need to be a tech expert or have a huge budget to make this work. If you're curious, stick around. If you're not, go ahead and watch another video. This might not be for you, but if you are willing to listen and change your financial situation right now, I suggest you stick around until the end to find out all the information you need to get started. Okay, so I'm about to walk you through how easy it is to get started, how you can help local businesses, and how this could be your ticket to a steady passive income. So let's get into this. What is white labeling? If you're not familiar with the term, basically what it means is you're taking an existing software, branding it as your own, and offering it to clients. Think of it like this: you get to sell a powerful tool without having to build it from scratch. You're the brand, you're the business, the software does the heavy lifting for you. Now, think about the businesses around you. They need solutions, better marketing, efficient CRMs, AI chatbots that can handle inquiries 24/7. But most of them don't have the time or resources to set it all up. All right, so that's where you come in. That's how the numbers work. You can white label software through a platform called HIGHLEVEL for around $297 a month. Then you offer this software, under your own brand, to local businesses for $3, $5, or even $600 per month. Let's say, for example, you get 10 clients at $300 each. That's $3,000 a month, less the $297 a month that you're paying for the software. Imagine doubling that to 20 clients at $500 each. That's almost $10,000 a month in recurring revenue. The best part, it's scalable and consistent. Once you set it up, it doesn't need you to be there 24/7. That's the kind of freedom most of us are looking for. It's about building something sustainable that works for you, giving you more control over your time and income. So how do you get started? Platforms like HIGHLEVEL make it straightforward. They offer everything you need to launch your SaaS business, and they even have a 5-day challenge that guides you through it step by step. And the best part, it's free. You might be asking, why give away all this info for free? That's a good question. It's fair. I'm passionate about helping people succeed without the usual barriers. I'm not here to sell you expensive courses or coaching. My goal is to share real value and build a community around these ideas. Yes, if you sign up for the software through my affiliate link, I earn a small commission, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. That commission helps keep all this content, training, and support completely free for you. This is about taking control of your future. If you've been looking for a way to build your own business without all the headaches of starting from scratch, this could be it. It's straightforward, it's scalable, and there's a real demand out there for these services. All right, let's talk about one of the coolest features you can offer a local business. It's called Missed Call Text Back. All right, let me give you an example. You ever call a business and got no answer and just hung up? Maybe you tried again, or maybe you didn't. Now imagine how many potential customers do the same thing every single day. This money slipping right through the cracks, but it doesn't have to be that way. Let me show you how it works. So you're running a local business, right? Let's say, for example, a salon, a gym, or even a car repair shop, and a customer calls, but you're busy. Instead of them hanging up and moving on, the missed call text back feature kicks in automatically. The moment the call is missed, your system sends them a friendly, personalized text saying something like, Hey, sorry we missed your call. How can we help you today? There you go. Now, instead of losing that potential customer, you've re-engaged them and opened up a conversation. Maybe they'll text back asking about an appointment, or they'll say they have a question. Either way, you've turned a missed opportunity into a lead. Setting up the missed call text back is super easy, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, let me just go into the software. All right, first things first, you need to make sure you have a dedicated business phone number set up in HighLevel. To do that, just head over to settings and then click on phone numbers. Here you can add a new number or use an existing one. This is the number your clients will call, and it's where the magic happens. No need to be a tech wizard here. There's no coding involved. All right, you can go to settings, business profile, scroll down until you see the missed call text back section here. All you need to do is click check the box, enable missed call text back. I've already written something here. You can definitely customize this to your liking. You can just keep it simple, like, hi, this is, then the location name. I saw that we just missed your call. How can we help? You can write anything here. You can completely customize it. And then when you're happy with it, just click save and you're good to go. All right, guys, well, let's do a quick demo. Okay, here's the website that I set up, and there's the phone number. Let's call the number and let's see how this feature works. Okay, live. Here we go.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes.
All right, let's pretend it's a missed call, so let's hang up and see what happens. There you go. See? Right away, your prospect will receive a message saying that, all right, let me read the message real quick. All right, it says, sorry, we missed your call. Not available at the moment, but how can we help you? So you will never miss a call ever again with this system set up, okay? And there's also an internal message, so business owner will receive a text message saying that they just received a call from a prospect and to call them back immediately. Here's a personalized message. Hey, Lewis, you just missed a call from the phone number. Please get back to them ASAP before lead gets cold. Everything's here, so you will never miss a call ever again. So this is something that you can offer to local businesses and they'll eat it up. All right, so there you go. I just did a demo for you. It's that simple to set up, and it's that simple to actually do a quick demo for them. You're probably asking, why does it matter? Why it matters for businesses? Well, think about this. If a business misses just a few calls each month, they could be losing hundreds, even thousands of dollars, right? But by paying you every month to make sure those missed calls still get a response, it's really a no-brainer for them. All right, what's in it for you? Well, for you, it's an easy entry into running a software agency or even just building a steady side hustle. You're solving a real problem for businesses while creating a reliable income stream for yourself. From my experience, when you show this feature to business owners, 9 out of 10 are blown away. They didn't even know this was possible. So when they see how easy it is to re-engage their customers, they're hooked. Whether it's a busy restaurant, a gym that gets flooded with calls, or a salon booking appointments, they all need this. And guess what? You can be the one to provide it. So you don't have to pitch anything complicated. Just ask them, how often do you miss calls? When they admit it happens all the time, show them this feature and how simple it is to set up, and just do a quick demo. All right, explain that for just a small investment each month, they can save countless potential customers, and who would want that? Setting this up is easy, selling it is even easier, and the best part, once it's running, you don't have to lift a finger. Your clients get a reliable way to never lose a lead, and you get steady recurring revenue. It's a win-win. So if it sounds like something you can see yourself doing, helping businesses, earning consistent income, and building your own brand, check out the link below. The 5-day challenge will get you set up step by step. And believe me, once you see how easy it is, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner.